Hey friends, if you wish to download Python on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Do not download it from the website. I'll tell you later why. Simply search for store and go to Microsoft Store. Okay, now search for Python in the search bar here, and you'll find the 13 version here. I mean, at the time of making the video, maybe it would be better later, but download and install the 12th one. Do not install the 13th one because it is still under the completion phase. You can install the version 12. Now the reason I suggested you to download it from the Microsoft Store and not from the website is because the version that you would download from the website may or may not be the complete version. It could be the beta version, and if you're downloading it from the Microsoft Store, then it has to be correct. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.